Hi guys and welcome to today's video. I first want to kind of address the fact that we are going back into lockdown. If you guys aren't in the UK, then you may not know this, but here in the UK we are going back into lockdown. I know a lot of other countries are already back in lockdown, but here in the UK we are back tomorrow, which honestly I'm not really looking forward to. I'm feeling a bit better about it today than I was yesterday. I think I've just been a bit busier today than I was yesterday. I really did enjoy lockdown 1, if I'm completely honest. I'm unsure if that's even like controversial to say, but I personally really did enjoy it. I'm not looking forward to lockdown 2 though. I think because it's winter, because of scary times really, I'm not looking forward to it. But I know that I'm still in a very fortunate position to have my health, to have people around me, so I am very thankful when it comes to that. But nonetheless, I'm sure it's going to be a very difficult winter for everyone. So I just wanted to send you all lots of hugs, lots of love, and just lots of positive vibes. That's just something we're going to need to get through the next couple of months. I am going to try and do a couple more videos in the coming month or so, just because I'm at home. I mean, I've been at home since March basically, pretty much, but I guess like also everyone else is going to be at home. If there are any videos you particularly like to see from me, then do leave me a little comment down below. I kind of had a bit of a think and I wanted to do some sort of video like weekly, and I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, so I'm going to do these like mini edits. I think I'm just going to call them like new in, because it works quite well for most of the items most of the things I want to do, but they're essentially an edit. I might even call them an edit. I just feel like calling them an edit sounds a bit like, but I might call them an edit, I don't know. Today I wanted to share with you my lockdown 2.0 essentials, which is essentially a bit of an ASOS haul that I placed a couple of days ago. I probably won't keep all these items, but I'm going to keep most, and that's going to be a bit of a trend with these videos. I won't be keeping everything I show you just because I don't need everything, and even in here there are some items that I kind of bought because I wanted to show you them, but I've already got something very, very similar, so I don't need these particular ones. I will talk through those as we go along. The one thing I will say though, I do find that recently ASOS packages have always been sent in a bag. When you order a big order, it means that they like don't really hold up. But anyway, let's get started with what's in here. I might use a pair of scissors. My packages just keep coming open, but this one they taped up, luckily. But let's have a look inside. I don't think I ordered these. I'm gonna quickly double check. I did order them. They look very different in real life. So let's get started with the item that shocked me. I ordered these socks because I just feel that going into winter we kind of just need cozy socks, and if I'm honest, like ASOS just didn't really have any good cozy ones. I have loads of cozy socks. I have some cashmere ones. I'll link down below some cashmere socks, and if you like sleeping in socks, cashmere socks are just that little upgrade. I just feel that lockdown is going to be about like little small luxuries almost for me, or like little small indulgences, and I think a pair of cashmere socks is perfect for that. But I picked up these, but I'm going to quickly, I'll insert a picture of what I thought these looked like, and I did not realise they were highlighter orange. I don't even think they look that bright on the camera, because in real life they are so bright. They are fluorescent, and they say bored, and initially I thought they were cute, but if I'm honest, these aren't cute. I think socks are a great pick for like lockdown 2.0, but not these. I don't think these are particularly cute, but for me I'm going to be living in like cozy like bed socks. I just love them, and then cashmere socks, and I just want to be warm. Like that is my aim more than ever this winter, because I don't have anywhere fun to go. I don't need to look nice. I just need to be warm, and that is my priority. And then I ordered loads of hats, and I was telling one of my friends about this video, and she's like, why would you order hats for lockdown 2.0? And that's because I cannot recommend going for walks enough. I just think that's the only thing that is going to get me through this lockdown, and if you are struggling a little bit, I think walks really helps, especially if you can walk whilst it's daytime outside, especially because the days are going to be getting shorter. I pretty much walk now about an hour a day every day. Today was so cold. I almost didn't film this video today because I got home quite late from my walk, and then I was so cold for the longest time that I was like, no sorry, I can't do that. I ordered loads of hats because I just want my head to be warm. I just want to hide my greasy hair if it gets greasy, which I'm going to be honest, 100% is going to get greasy, because again there's no massive reason for me to be washing my hair every day or every other day like I was previously. So a hat is just great. It's got really windy today. We're so windy, so hats are just great. Now I don't really suit hats, but you know, you got to do what you got to do to stay warm. God, I feel like this hat really doesn't suit me. Okay, this is hat number 1. I feel like it also really doesn't go with my lipstick. I'm not sure if this hat's for me, to be honest. I think maybe this colour doesn't suit me. It's a bit small. I feel like my head is too big for it. Hat number 1, it is a cute hat. Unsure if it's for me though. And honestly, I ordered quite a few hats because I have an issue with hats in my head. The next hat I ordered was a cap because I just think caps are really cool, and again, they'll just be perfect for my walks. I'm pretty sure I'll keep this one. I'm sure this won't suit me either, but I think I'm keeping it regardless. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I like this one a lot actually. I'm not saying it really suits me. My ears aren't really sticky outy, but weirdly when I put hats on, I feel like they end up sticking out a little bit more. It's because my hair is so fine. Okay. I'll have to work out a way to disguise my ears. This is hat number 2. I think this was £6 and I think that is a steal because I think it's a very nice hat. I'm definitely going to keep this one. I might end up wearing this one tomorrow. I went for this instead of black. I might still get a black one, to be honest, probably from this exact same range, but I just feel like the nude is a bit more flattering. I've got a lot of like white coats and I think this one would go quite well with the white coats over a black hat, so that's my second pick for hats. Also picked up a green hat. I really went all out with the hats because I just feel like I'm going to be wearing them so much this year. This is exactly the same as the last woolly hat, but this one is green. I just thought that this colour might be a bit more flattering. Wow. And I actually think it is. Okay, so I think this one is more flattering. Still, like I have a big head, like hats, that's just what happens with hats on me. I like this one. I think I'm actually going to keep this one. I feel like it also doesn't go with my lipstick. It also kind of makes me look like I have no hair because it's quite light, but in real life it doesn't look like what it looks like on camera. So I think I'm actually going to keep this one. I really do like this, and again I went for this colour because I feel like it will go with my lighter coloured coats, and I like to somewhat steer clear of black. I realise I'm wearing black, but I don't think black is really my colour, so it's quite nice to go for these other colours, and this is a really nice pistachio shade of green. And then I think this might be the last hat. This one is, I actually think, from a different range to the last 2 beanies. I like this colour as well actually. I need to like confirm with someone else because I'm unsure if they just don't suit my head shape. I need to go look in a big mirror. So honestly I'm a bit unsure. I think it's a really nice hat. I'm unsure if I like it on me, but if you're into hats, it's a nice hat. I think I might order some more to see what they look like. I feel like because they're quite short, it just makes me look like I have a really round head, which I do, but I like to disguise that. So I actually think I may only keep the green one because I love the colour so much, but this one might be going back as well. If you like hats, don't have quite as round head as me, I think if you just have thicker hair, this would look really nice. Or where my hair's quite fine, I'm unsure about it. And my head's quite large, I'm unsure about it. Okay, then onto something which I really like the look of, and that is a pair of slippers. They're just these really cute ones. I have them in white, but they have them in other colours, and they have like slightly different styles as well. I currently have these slippers, which I will also link below. I was just wearing them, and they're a very similar vibe. Now, I'm not gonna lie, these aren't that cheap. These might be in the £40 price bracket, and these are nicer than the cheaper ones, but if you are looking for something affordable, then I think these are really cool. I think they would be super warm, but I still think they look quite nice. I will link these down below. I will also link mine for different price options if these are available. I do really like these. I feel like if I didn't have these, then I'd probably keep these, but I do think these are a little bit nicer. Also great if you're looking for stocking fillers. I think these are fabulous little slippers. And I know some of you are going to think it's a bit premature, but I picked up a pair of Christmas pyjamas. I probably picked up the Christmas versions because I didn't really find a pair of pyjamas that I loved that were long sleeved and trousers on ASOS apart from these. And these are from ASOS Design. I love ASOS Design. I don't know if everyone else does, but I personally am a big fan. And they're just really cute. Pink with avocados, but then Mr. Avocado or Mrs. Avocado, I don't know, is holding a candy cane, and they have like little snowflakes. So I just thought that was really adorable, and I'm gonna try this on. I may actually keep this. I need to work out if I need a new pair of pajamas or not. I know I definitely have some that I need to get rid of. I'm unsure if I need a new pair, but also these are like relatively affordable, and I think pajamas are really fabulous gifts. So again, if you are looking to give someone a gift, like just as a nice pick me up during lockdown, or if you're already thinking about Christmas, I think pajamas are probably my go-to gift for almost everyone this year, because we're spending so much time at home that everyone's kind of like after new loungewear, and everyone needs pajamas. I picked up a new jumper. My current uniform is pretty much a pair of tracksuit bottoms, which I have on right now. I'll link these tracksuit bottoms actually down below. They are just black with a stretchy band, but they're not like oversized or they're not tight at the bottom. They're just like a nice straight leg pair of tracksuit bottoms. I think I can wear them with like boots if I want to, or trainers, and I just love them. And I've been wearing that pretty much every single day with the jumper. I have a monkey jumper which I love, and actually whenever I wear it on story you guys seem to love it as well. I wanted something else because I can't just wear the same jumper every single day, so I wanted something very similar that wasn't that, basically. And again, this is from ASOS Design, and I picked up this jumper. I really like the sleeves on this, and I just think it kind of adds like a little extra je ne sais quoi to the jumper. And this was pretty affordable. I think let me find the price. This was £28, and honestly I think it looks way more expensive than £28. It's really soft. I'm really looking forward to wearing it. It's a nice length, and that I think is very important, especially if you have like wider hips like I do. I think if it's too long it can really make you look bigger, so I think this is just perfect. I'm really looking forward to wearing this. It has got shoulder pads, so if you are particularly broad on top, maybe this isn't the jumper for you, but I mean ASOS has loads of other jumpers. This is just the one that I picked because I really like it. Cannot wait to wear this. I might even wear this straight after this video because I'm going for a little walk with one of my friends, so I'm tempted to put this on for the walk, even though she's definitely not going to be able to see it because it's going to be under my coat. I also got a dressing gown, although I tend to call them a bathrobe. Maybe it depends on the material. Now I have an excellent bathrobe. Again, I will link my bathrobe down below. Mine is from John Lewis, and I think it's about the £40 mark. I love it. I really highly recommend it. And actually I think bathrobes is something I'm going to be buying quite a lot of people for Christmas this year, just because I feel like, again, we're at home, I just want something warm, and they're just great. I just love a bathrobe, especially in winter. I don't really understand. I feel like some people just didn't grow up with them, so they didn't wear them, and they still don't. Like my boyfriend, I don't think he's ever owned one, and it blows my mind. I'm definitely going to be buying him one for Christmas. He won't watch this video, so he'll never know. It's fine. I picked up this one because I wanted to see what it was like, because I wanted to be able to recommend it, and I think it's actually very nice. I was a bit unsure about it. I did think it was going to be a bit thin. It's not quite as thick as mine, but it's still lovely and soft. Like, it's super silky. It's pink, it's mid-length, it's one size fits all. I just think this one's really lovely. It has a hood, which I know a lot of people like. I also quite like a hood, I think. It is slightly thinner than the one that I have, but I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing. Mine is so bulky. Great, but also a bit of a nuisance. It has pockets, which I love, although I do seem to always put like chocolates in my pockets and then I forget that they're there. But yeah, really impressed by this. Again, I think this was pretty affordable. This was £30, and ASOS is just doing discounts left, right and centre at the moment, so if you wait for 20% off, that makes this £24, which is such a steal. This is so lovely. I'm really very impressed. It's from a brand called Lindex, which I've never ever ordered from, but I definitely would order from again now. I really felt that I needed some new tracksuits. I do have a tracksuit top and bottom which I wear quite a lot, and then I have a pair of black tracksuit bottoms which I wear loads, but going into winter I just feel that I needed another tracksuit set, so I picked up this one from ASOS. I don't think this was overly cheap, but I just think tracksuit sets aren't overly cheap. It's definitely also expensive. Some tracksuit sets I've seen are so nice, but they're like £100, and personally I'm just not going to spend £100 on loungewear. This was only £38. Oh, this is from the new ASOS Hourglass design range. This is so soft. This is much nicer than I expected. I think I'm going to like this. It's fleece lined. Oh, this is so nice. I do find that whenever I see someone in a full grey tracksuit, it kind of looks like they're going to prison, and 100% my boyfriend's going to make jokes, and maybe even my brother, about the fact that I look like I'm in prison. I think I'm really going to like this. It kind of depends a little bit on the bottoms, but I'm going to try this on. Oh, I have high hopes. I have really high hopes. The reason I went for grey was because I find that black fades too quickly. I would quite like a nudie one, but realistically, they're usually too thin. Although I do think that if they had a nude in this range, I'd consider buying it. And then I wanted something that was light enough that I could wear with white coats. And I think this might be it. I really think I'm going to love this, so I cannot wait to try that on. So that is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you like this idea of me doing little edits every week of something that is quite relevant, or that I think you guys will like. For example, next week, this isn't what I'm going to do, I know what I'm going to do next week, but next week I could pick just 8 great jumpers that I think you guys will like. It's likely to be stuff that I'm also personally looking for, so maybe I can do jeans because I am looking for jeans. We can go for it together, which will be quite nice. But that's the end of this video. Like it if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. I'm really open to ideas at the moment. I want to get out as much content as possible, and again, I'm sending you all my love and and positive vibes and just cuddles, really. I really miss hugs, especially like when I get to see my friends. I'm like so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.